So weigh-in Wednesday, and the results are not great. So 45.6. If you remember from last week, it was 45.0. It is up 0.6 pounds. The thing is when you start getting into like decimals, it's really hard to mimic the exact same circumstances. And so, you know, that could have been how much I ate for dinner last night. It could have been if I drank extra water. Like lots of different things that could kind of affect that. So I look at it as basically I just stayed the same, basically. It's kind of what I was expecting. I just felt like I kind of wasn't doing great this weekend. You know, there's gonna be weeks like that, and that's okay. But like, I feel really good about the last 2 days. I've done great on my calories, so just keep on pushing on through it, and it'll be okay. You got your phone? Oh.
It's turned off again.
Oh, you need Mom to turn it on? Alright, let's turn it on. Oh, look, it's on. It says Google. It turned off. That's that cell phone I try to get to work where it just shuts itself off. It's making him very mad when it just shuts off. He's so mad.
This is why he can get mad.
It won't go past the Google screen anymore. Sad baby. Hey guys.
Hi. Hi.
Where are we headed?
Store.
Why are we going to the store?
For California food. Treats.
Trip treats?
Yeah. Mom.
Hi. Give me 5. Yay! Thank you. You get so excited.
Hi,
Liam. How are you doing, bud?
Good. Are we going to Walmart?
No.
Where do you want to go?
First.
Or we're going to Lee's?
Yeah,
Or Macy's?
Where do you want? That's what I'm asking you. Where do you want
Smith's?
to go?
Mom, I told it to you.
Grocery store.
Mom.
Not Walmart. 'Cause Walmart is the worst.
Then let's go to Lee's.
Dad, I want to see Mason first.
Okay. What?
I want to see Mason.
I don't have a Megazord.
We're not going to Walmart.
I know, I'm not getting toys. We have sex Mason. Mom, can make sure that.
Did you get the gist of what he was saying?
I know, we're not getting toys.
I just want to see it.
I just want to see Megazord.
That is awesome. Good job, Aiden. You're learning, son.
Still not getting a toy, but awesome. What am I looking at here?
A dog driving the car when the human is actually driving it.
That's pretty silly.
Dog is just putting his paws on the steering wheel, and then the human's driving the car.
Well, that's cool. Oh my gosh, clothespins.
We actually need these.
You guys are like going crazy over everything. He's getting crazy about clothespins.
Mom, do we need some clothespins?
I think we got enough junk food. They should be happy. Just picks up some dinner. This place is good. Good stuff. Gonna head home now. Hey Gavin, what do you got there next to you?
A huge paper airplane.
Let me see this thing. Put it up, hold it above your head.
Just wait a second. See, here's the news.
Is that what you're going to wear in the car tonight? What? That's not a good mask wear.
And it just seems like it never ends.
That's as big as you are.
No, it's not. Compared to me, almost the height.
Do you want to maybe meet Colonel in California?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, are you Colonel's biggest fan?
Oh, well, guess what?
What?
I hope I see Hindenburg down in California.
I'm not sure what the chances are of that, but I don't think it's very high.
A toy Hindenburg.
Oh, a toy Hindenburg. Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Just sitting down and edit up this video. Finished packing. I've got all my stuff to pack for the vlog. So we got our fancy battery pack we're gonna pack. Got my external hard drive so I can store my videos on it and any of the stuff I use for editing, like music. Yeah, it's gonna be an early start in the morning. I think it's 11. So yeah, 11 hours down there. So it's gonna be a nice long drive tomorrow. So we got the snacks for the boys. Hopefully that's enough to keep them occupied and not driving me crazy. So I'm all about efficiency when I'm traveling, and so it's rough when you have kids and you're trying to get somewhere quickly. But overall, my kids are really good travelers, though. I don't have too much to complain about. So anyway, reminder, vacation. Don't know when I can upload. I will try to upload as many times as possible. If I'm able to upload while I am in California, then you're going to probably see a video tomorrow, because I should be able to do one after I get there. Then on Saturday I should be able to do the Friday one. And then guaranteed I wouldn't be able to upload until Monday again. We'll see how it all works out. We're going to play it by ear, but I'm going to record as much as I can and hopefully have a really good vlog for you. I might just combine a bunch of days into one big super mega vlog, or a bunch of different parts or something. I don't know. We'll see. So I've said this before, but I'm not what you call a clutch sleeper. Now the issue I always have is whenever I have to get up early to go and like go on a trip or something that requires me, like there's some kind of pressure for me to get up, it usually goes horribly. I end up getting like 2 hours of sleep because I just can't shut it down. I'm not clutch. I admit it. That's just not what I do. We'll see how tonight goes. Hopefully I don't have too big of an issue, but we'll see. Anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.